Now that I've created my basic monostable circuit, I need to add my 7-segment display bit on the right hand side here, coming off this resistor. Now in your handout that I sent out to you, I've got a 7-segment display circuit, and all we're going to do is we're going to take that section there and we're going to draw that bit coupled to my resistor bit on my Circuit Wizard circuit. If I snap those two to the side there, you can see what I mean. I'm going to take this leg from that joint there and stick it on there and take all of that with me. Right, to do that we need to get our 4026B decade counter. Now the 400B series has its own folder, so if you click in there and then scroll down, you'll find the right serial number. 4026 is what we're after, that one, and you drag that in and drop it right there. Now we're going to link that leg to there. Next we'll get in our 7-segment display, which is in outputs. Scroll down a bit and there you are, one 7-segment display. Now we're going to link these legs straight across there. Having a 7-segment display will allow me to show you what the D-bounce does even better. Link that bottom one up to your bottom rail there. Take the DE leg all the way up to the top to the positive rail, to leg 8 and leg 4, and round to the battery of the 5x5 timer. Take CE all the way down to the bottom and then attach R to it. Final thing we've got to do is link this leg here to there. Now what we should see when we switch this on is our LEDs flashing and then that counting up each time the switch is pressed. Now for the duration that my resistor and my capacitor are going to keep this circuit on for, if I switch that switch 3 times in quick succession, that will still only count 1. Let me show you what I mean. Shows 0. I then switch the switch and it shows 1. Now that's working and I'm clicking that several times and it still shows 1. Once it stopped flashing and I click it again, it will then count up to 2. I'm still clicking, but it's not recognising, it is not registering with the output, it's still recognising that first initial signal for the duration of the monostable circuit. However, if I change the value of that resistor down again, it counts a lot quicker. It still won't allow me multiple presses, it still only recognises the 1. So, that is how to add in a 7-segment display with a 4026B decade counter driver into your basic 5x5 timer monostable circuit with 2 flashing LEDs.